Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Once again, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In the series of the lecture, we will be completing the entire syllabus of Class 6, Science and CRT. Here we have done the discussion of entire topics of sorting material into groups in our Part 1 video. So in the second part of the video, we are going to discuss MCQ questions, which is very important for the CBSE exams and other competitive exams. So let's get started our quiz session, but if you haven't seen the first part of the video, please go and watch, and after watching the first part of the video you would be able to solve all the questions at your own. So take your pen and paper and get ready for the quiz session, and do not forget to mention your score below out of 15 in the comment section. So let's begin our quiz session. Yes, our first question is, what makes the basis of sorting materials into groups? Option A, similarities in their properties. Option B, differences in their properties. Option C, both similarities and differences in their properties. Option D, all of these. So as we know, after sorting the material, we can study the similarities of the properties and the differences of the properties of the material. So option C, both similarities and differences in their properties, is the correct answer. Now we have question number 2. Purpose of sorting materials into group is option A, to study their properties. Option B, to convenience. Option C, both A and B. Option D, inconvenience. So you need to tell me the purpose to sort the material into groups. So as we know, materials are grouped for our convenience and to study their properties. So option C, both A and B, will be the right answer. Now question number 3. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A, some materials are shiny in appearance and some are dull. Option B, some materials are rough and some are smooth. Option C, some materials are hard whereas some others are soft. And option D, some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. So let us discuss all the options one by one. So option A, some materials are shiny in appearance and some are dull. Correct. Option B, some materials are rough and some are smooth. Correct. So option C, some materials are hard whereas some other are soft. Correct. Some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. No, it is incorrect. Why? Because stones are generally opaque while glasses are transparent. So option D will be the right answer. Now we have question number 4. Shopkeepers usually prefer to keep the material in option A, translucent container. Option B, opaque container. Option C, transparent container. Option D, wooden rack. I have given you example while discussing the sorting material into groups in the part 1 video. So you can pick out the answer very quickly, because shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets and other eatable in transparent container of glass or plastic, so that buyers can easily see these items, and container saves the product from attack of fungus, dust and foreign materials. Okay, so the correct answer will be transparent container. Now we have question number 5. Pick one material from the following which is completely soluble in water. We had a discussion about soluble and insoluble. So you can pick out the correct answer out from these. Option A, chalk powder. Option B, tea leaves. Option C, glucose. And option D, sawdust. So as we know, glucose is completely soluble in water because its particles are so small and spread uniformly in water that we cannot see them. Okay, but chalk powder, tea leaves and sawdust are insoluble in water and it settles down at the bottom of the container. So the correct answer will be option C, glucose, because glucose is a soluble in nature. Now we have question number 6. In which of the statement is incorrect? Option A, vinegar dissolved in water. Option B, sand settles down in water. Option A, a piece of wood floats on water. Option D, chalk dissolved in water. So as we know, water is a universal solvent. Okay, as it dissolves maximum materials, but oil, chalk, sawdust and sands are not dissolved in water. So, option D, chalk dissolved in water is the incorrect. Now, we have question number 7. Riya asked a question to Shilpa that which of the following is a good conductor of heat. Would you help her? Option A, wood, option B, glass, option C, graphite, and option D, rubber. So, among of these, here graphite is a good conductor of heat, okay, because wood, glass and rubber, they are the non-metals, okay. So, the correct answer will be graphite. Now, we have question number 8. Kamya wants to know the name of the instrument which is used to measure the density of the liquid, and your options are option A, hydrometer, option B, barometer, option C, hygrometer, and option D, ammeter. See, this question is very important for the exam and for the Olympiad, especially for the Olympiad exam, okay. So, we will discuss all options, okay, one by one. So, first, hydrometer. So, a hydrometer is an instrument used to measure the specific gravity or relative density of a liquid, okay. Example, the ratio of the density of the liquid to the density of the water. If we are going to check the density of the water, we need to take hydrometer to measure it, okay. Make a note of it, okay, it is very important. Now, we have barometer. So, a barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure or atmospheric pressure in a certain environment. Then we have a hygrometer. A hygrometer is an instrument which is used to measure the amount of humidity and water vapor in the atmosphere, okay. Now, last we have a ammeter. So, ammeter is a measuring instrument which is used to measure the current in a circuit, okay. So, all 4 options now you know. So, which is the correct answer? A hydrometer. Hydrometer is used to measure the density of the liquid. Now, we have question number 9. Choose the correct option for aluminium. Option A, poor conductor, option B, non-metal, option C, metal, and option D, soluble in water. So, poor conductor, no, non-metal, no, it is a metal, metal, yes, soluble in water, no. So, what is correct? Option C, it is a metal. Now, we have question number 10. A substance that allows the heat to pass through it is called option A, lustrous, option B, conductor, option C, opaque, and option D, insulator. I discussed a lot about the insulator, the conductor, the opaque, the lustrous object in the previous video. So, if you have seen the video, you can pick out the correct answer. A substance that allows the heat to pass through it is called a conductor. Yes, it is called a conductor, and it is also very important question. Now, we have question number 11. Butter paper is a very good example of which object? Option A, transparent, option B, translucent, option C, opaque, and option D, lustrous. So, as we know that the butter paper is a very good example of the translucent object, because from the butter paper we cannot see the image clearly, we can see the blur picture, because translucent object allow the partial light to pass through it. It do not allow the light completely to pass through it, okay. So, that is why we see the blur picture. So, the correct answer will be translucent, option B. Now, we have question number 12. Which among the following are commonly used for making a safety pin? Option A, wood and glass, option B, plastic and glass, option C, leather and plastic, option D, steel and plastic. You might have seen in your house safety pins which is very commonly used, okay. So, as we know that the steel can be molded to get sharp points and plastic is used to seal the edge, hence steel and plastics are used for making safety pins. So, correct answer will be steel and plastic, option D. Now, we have question number 13. Which of the following material is not lustrous? Option A gold, option B silver, option C wood, and option D diamond. So as we know that the lustrous materials are having the shiny surface, and here gold is shiny, silver is also shiny, wood no, diamond is very shiny. So gold, silver and diamond are shiny, or you can say lustrous material, but wood is the non-lustrous material. So the correct answer will be option C, wood. Now we have question number 14. Find the odd one out from the following. Option A tawa, option B spade, option C pressure cooker, option D eraser. Okay. So as we know that the eraser is made of rubber, while tawa, pressure cooker and spades are made up with the metal. So the correct answer will be eraser. Now we have question number 15. Which type of following material is used for making the front glass windscreen of car? You all have seen the windscreen of the car, I know. So option A transparent, option B translucent, option C opaque, and option D all of the above. So transparent glass is used for making the front glass of a car so that everything can be seen clearly. Okay. So correct answer A transparent. If it will be translucent, the image will be blur and it is not good for the driver. Okay. So with this guys, we are gonna end up the session. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, feel free to leave your comment in the comment box. I really hope you will like this video and it does help in some way to ignite your knowledge. So bye bye, take care, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more update of the future video. Until we meeting, take care of yourself, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.